California is extremely hot this long weekend. The power grid is asking to help to avoid blackouts by reducing our energy usage during peak times between the hours of 3 to 9 p.m. There are some tips to prevent our community from blackout. Close drapes or blinds to keep out direct sunlight. You can reduce unwanted solar heat gain and air conditioners work. Then set air conditioners to 78 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Using electric fans instead of air conditioning is helpful too to use energy less. Avoid using electricity during peak times. Charge all devices during off-peak hours and operate energy-intensive appliances during off-peak hours. Minimize usage of lighting and limit the opening and reopening of refrigerators. Standby power is consumed by electronic and electrical appliances while they are switched off. Standby power can account for 5 to 10% of your electricity cost. Therefore, turn off and unplug unused appliances and equipment to eliminate standby power. Instead of using electric devices, you can do family activities without it, such as board games or outdoor activities with a little bit of water. If you have your own solar panels, your excess energy from your usage reduction will be delivered to the grid to help your neighbors and to avoid outages. Together, our conservation reduces stress on the statewide power grid and helps minimize the need for rotating blackouts. Let's stay safe in the heat. Bye!